What's up everybody, Cryptic coding here. Welcome back to another game development video. In this video you guys will be learning about user interfaces in Godot. So let's get started creating your first user interface. So I'll just delete what I have did there. So what is a user interface anyways? User interface is what you see in the screen, what we hover with. There's like bar stuff, anything user interactable related is in user interface. So basically user interface is like that. So we'll be first creating a simple user interface called the Zelda style help. So first, before I dive into any coding, any stuff, I want to make some things clear. First, everything you see in Godot or in UI especially, it's handled by the control node of Godot game engine. So first we'll be clicking on the canvas layer over here and adding a control node to it. So if you look at the control node carefully, as you can see, we have multiple different choices over here. If I hover over it, as you can see, it spells out all user interface nodes inherit from control. A control centers and margins adapts its position and size relative to its parent. So basically all the user interface nodes inherit from the control. That's really important. Okay, so we'll be clicking on this, and this is our control node. So after this control node, we'll be adding what's known as a 9-patch Rect. So 9-patch Rect is what is one of the children of control node. So 9-patch Rect allows us to, it can takes an image as an input, and it makes it so when we move around, it's gonna follow us. So I'll be handling this in action. We'll be seeing this in action. So after this, as you can see, we have the control node. We'll be adding another node called 9-patch Rect. 9-patch Rect right here. We'll be clicking on this. So as you can see, it pops out another box. We'll be dragging in this thing over here, and after that, as you can see, I have already downloaded the heart.png. You can go ahead and download it. I just picked this right here. I just searched for this one, and then I picked this one, basically this. Now what I want to do is click on the 9-patch Rect over here, click on the heart image, and then drag and drop this thing to his. Alright, as you can see this. Now let's run the game and let's check a look. So if I just move, as you can see, the heart is moving with us. That's exactly what we need. Okay, so this is the stuff I'm gonna explain to this video. We'll be not going over anything right now. We'll be just covering some of the basics of how you can control nodes in Godot. If you're completely new, this will help you out. So I have some exercises for you. Just create 2 more of these. Don't duplicate it. Add that with your stuff. So delete everything. Add a control node and add some stuff, and then try to actually make 3 hearts. So this is your challenge right now. So I'm gonna give you some seconds, so pause the video right now if you have to. So yeah, this is the time you take. So let's get started creating one. So we'll just duplicate for now. Just duplicate this 2 times, and can I change the node name? Yeah, I can. I'm just an idiot. So just say heart. Basically it. So heart 2. Make a little. If you hold shift, it will be going over each axis. So for example, if I go up and then hit shift, it will giving you a axis. You cannot move to the right. I think it just gives it a snap. So basically you just have, I think it's in the grid. So now, same for this, we'll just hit shift and then add this to it. So make sure it's adding this nice and simple, and we have our health bar. Yay, it doesn't function, but we'll be coding this in the next video. So if you guys enjoyed this video, I know that is not that much of a tutorial. It will be uploading like tomorrow. No, not tomorrow. Some days later you can expect it. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Peace.